They're almost totally blind, but they have a super sense to search out and feel for their prey. The slightest motion draws an attack, and don't move a muscle. If just one ant senses prey, it calls in the troops. Venomous stings immobilize their victims, then liquefy their tissues from within, making them easier to butcher. Soldiers, over half an inch long, guard the trails, whilst specialist porters with longer legs carry the food home. With so many mouths to feed, they'll even take on dangerous prey, like wasps. The wasps drum their wings as a threat, but they are overwhelmed. What the army wants is their young. It's the jackpot. Raid over. Now, to get all this food back to base. They also joined the workers to close any gaps in the trail, forming living suspension bridges. It's a masterpiece of organization.